Welcome to the channel, tech enthusiasts. Today we're tackling a common frustration: what to do when LinkedIn refuses to download your photos on your PC. It can be super annoying when you're trying to update your profile or engage with content, and the images just won't cooperate. But don't worry, we've got some simple solutions to get you back on track. First things first, let's try the most basic fix: refreshing the LinkedIn webpage. Just click on that refresh icon at the top left of your browser. This forces the page to reload, and sometimes that's all it takes to clear up temporary glitches. If a refresh doesn't do the trick, let's try closing your browser completely, and then reopening it. This is like giving your browser a fresh start, clearing out any lingering issues that might be interfering with the download process. Next, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can definitely prevent photos from downloading. Head down to the notifications area on your taskbar, click on the network icon, and make sure you're connected to your usual network. If you're on Wi-Fi, ensure you have a strong signal. If there are issues with your network, try restarting your modem and router. Sometimes the problem isn't with LinkedIn or your connection, but with your device itself. A simple restart can work wonders. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and then select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds to ensure your computer completely shuts down, and then turn it back on by pressing the power button. Now, if you're trying to download a photo that was sent to you via LinkedIn, there's a chance the issue might be on the sender's end. Ask them to resend the photo. It's possible the file didn't upload correctly the first time, or there was some other issue during the sending process. If you're still encountering problems, it might be worth checking LinkedIn's Help Center for basic troubleshooting tips. They suggest signing out and then signing back in, trying incognito mode, clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or even trying a different browser. For an optimal site experience, they recommend using the latest versions of Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Also, ensure that the photo file meets the specifications. The file type must be PNG or JPG, and the maximum file size is 8 megabytes. For profile photos, the pixel size should be between 400 by 400 and 7680 by 4320. One other thing to consider: it's possible that LinkedIn is experiencing a temporary issue on their end. If none of these steps work, the problem might not be something you can fix yourself. In that case, all you can do is wait and try again later. Hopefully one of these solutions will solve your photo downloading problem on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.